Welcome to the leading site news.
Sister Hunali Ingtipi celebrates life-changing milestone with Thanksgiving Mass. In a heartwarming ceremony, Sister Hunali Ingtipi marked a significant milestone in her spiritual journey with a Thanksgiving Mass at Christ the King Catholic Church in Ingtipi village, Koilamati. Sister was born on May 26, 1999. Sister Hunali, daughter of Mr. Ramsan Ingti and late Sangwai Teronpi, has dedicated her life to serving the Lord. After completing her education at Mankarmar School, Koilamati, and matriculations in Kerala, she joined the convent in the year 2016. Her commitment to her faith was further solidified with her first profession in the year 2020 and final professions at the General House Carmelite of Devan Mercy in Trivandrum, Kerala. The Thanksgiving Mass was a beautiful celebration of Sister Hunali's devotion with Reverend Father Arvind Jiga, OCD, leading the ceremony. Reverend Father Prince Kujur's powerful sermon highlighted the significance of Sister Hunali's journey, inspiring all in the attendance. Notable guests included Reverend Father Bernardin OCD, founder of the CDM congregation, and Reverend Dr. Sister Regina CDM, Mother General of the congregation. This religious occasion is a testament to Sister Hunali's unwavering commitment to her faith and her community. Her story serves as an inspiration to many, showcasing the power of dedication and perseverance.
Repin pain kai pache pimi nang ji apolo alang li ta arnam alang li fan ke hang awutcho ko alam te pen si arnam alang li
CDM for her work presence with us today. I would like to say thank you, dear sister, for your encouraging words and pushing me to go forward in my up and down success and time, joy and sorrow. And when I am weak, you support. I also thank all the counselors, Reverend Sister Ansi, Reverend Sister Annie, Reverend Sister Rubina for their prayers. Lapen nili non lapen durab atun nangkachirab dun pen ajok lo. Lapen monduli keja atun lapen monduli.
kache hodai tek pemechi afan hodai pi pol lonang laban so ning kaching duk agar kale kanthir ke jisemet ke nisami afan chot kale bonta ile tum kado kawe atum afan talo non apo
dam na melo tu apa komasi ke kelam boke la som thot sidame apu apai tu ke aram akan cik lasi apu apai aparma itu recharge sena de recharge sena ni kido recharge sena lason thot di kaching hon to tela pen girtu alang di ku pai pen alang di I atu ulu pilu purial don marli atu am lapen ang itu lasu akris becu amundli arat atum nang itu dak citong ahut dili cinilo nang itu ke sister akarmanta prana madom pilo laki nang itu para karnam arnam kardom pesi nang itu akhir jume pensi pini ani ke alangli o hempo jo dili non